What's going on, pumpkin people? The pumpkin's been out for 1 week out here in the hoop house. Let's just go take a look. The weather for the past week, it's been pretty warm and having to use a shade cloth. I throw the shade cloth up on top of the structure here when it gets really warm. But today, not so much, a little bit of clouds. So no shade cloth required, but it's been 80, hot upper 80s, a lot of humidity. Plants are really loving it. Let's go check it out. Take a quick look inside of our structure here. Got our space heater. We have a probe sticking down to the soil. 74.6 degrees. Not too bad. So let's just take a quick look at our plant here. I stay out of the root zone. I only step in just once. And then, once this plant starts laying down, I'll till this part up where my feet are. But anyway, a lot of growth from planting day. It's been only about a week. So we got our first true leaf, second true leaf, third true leaf. And you can just start seeing the fourth leaf and the start of the main vine. Some secondaries poking out. You can see it right there. But pretty happy. It looks a little lighter on camera, the plant, but it's looking fairly well. I mean, I got this one yellow speck, but that's to be expected. I planted this age. I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe 7 to 10 days, starts hopefully get it to lay down. But it's looking pretty good here. Not too much to update this week, but just wanted to give you a quick general view of the plant. There we go. That's a better view of the start of the main vine right there. It's starting to lean forward a little bit. But here's a look underneath. Oh, look at that. Check out the underside of the leaf. Don't see any bugs. Metacloprid's doing its job. Haven't seen any issues yet, knock on wood. But looking good. That leaf right there is a little curled just because it's sitting against that plastic. I think I planted it a touch too close to the back of the structure, but can't think of everything, right? So that's this week's update. But this space heater's new, works really well. Honeywell works really good. So until next time, guys, growing big.